Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and space exploration. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we approach missions beyond Earth, making the impossible possible. If we look back, space missions have come a long way. From the first human flights to the moon, technology has always been our companion. Early missions faced struggles, but each step laid the groundwork for today's cutting edge technology, where AI plays a crucial role in guiding and supporting missions. Today, AI is at the forefront of many current space applications. It helps analyze massive amounts of data collected from telescopes and spacecraft, navigates rovers on Mars, and monitors spacecraft systems, ensuring they operate smoothly without human intervention. It's like having a super smart assistant on board. Looking ahead, the future of AI in space is incredibly exciting. Imagine AI-driven robots aiding in Mars colonization or mining asteroids for precious materials. These advancements could deepen our understanding of the universe. So, if you love exploring these groundbreaking ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep yourself updated. In recent years, artificial intelligence has transformed space exploration. Gone are the days when missions relied solely on human intuition. Now, AI systems enhance navigation efficiency and optimize mission planning, leading to safer and more effective journeys into the cosmos. Imagine spacecraft that can think on their own, making split-second decisions during flights that keep them on the right path. These smart technologies are game changers. From autonomous spacecraft seamlessly navigating around planets to AI algorithms that analyze mountains of data at lightning speeds, they've revolutionized how we explore the universe. AI not only assists in real-time navigation, but also helps scientists discover new celestial phenomena, speeding up exciting findings that could change everything we thought we knew about our galaxy. As we venture further into space, the partnership between AI and human ingenuity will shine bright. The future of astrophysics and interstellar travel looks incredibly promising, with AI at the heart of upcoming missions. Together, we'll explore uncharted territories, uncovering the universe's mysteries like never before. The world of Mars exploration is transformed by advanced technology. Rovers like Perseverance are equipped with artificial intelligence that allows them to work autonomously. Perseverance, one of NASA's latest rovers, utilizes AI to make real-time decisions. It can analyze the terrain as it navigates the dusty Martian landscape, identifying safe paths. This capability allows it to adjust to challenges quickly, ensuring successful exploration and data collection on Mars while sending us captivating images and data. The rover's AI system processes vast amounts of data instantly. It assesses environmental conditions and obstacles in its path. This ability to make autonomous decisions is crucial for its mission, enabling Perseverance to operate efficiently without waiting for instructions from Earth. By effectively finding science targets, Perseverance enhances our understanding of Mars. Its capacity to analyze rock samples and geological formations in real time means scientists receive vital information faster than ever before. This process opens exciting new avenues in Mars research, potentially revealing clues about the planet's past and the possibility of life. AI technology is changing the game for mission planning in space exploration. With the help of smart algorithms and simulations, engineers can map out the best paths for their spacecraft with impressive precision. Gone are the days of guesswork. Now, every trajectory is calculated with advanced AI to ensure missions are as efficient and effective as possible. When it comes to selecting landing sites on other planets or moons, AI steps in again. It analyzes mountains, valleys, and even potential hazards like craters, ensuring that each selected site is safe and suitable for exploration. This smart technology looks at all available data, making sure our spacecraft land exactly where they need to, minimizing the chance of mishaps. And let's not forget hazard avoidance. AI identifies risks before they become a problem, scanning for anything that could pose a threat during a mission. This capability is vital for keeping astronauts safe and ensuring the success of each mission. As we continue to advance in technology, the possibilities for space exploration grow even brighter, paving the way for exciting journeys ahead. As spacecraft travel through the vastness of space, Advanced AI systems play a crucial role in monitoring their systems and ensuring the safety of the crew aboard. Imagine being thousands of miles from Earth and you have an intelligent program constantly watching over your spacecraft. These AI systems analyze vast amounts of data from various spacecraft components. They detect anomalies, predicting potential failures before they escalate. This allows ground control teams to step in and resolve issues proactively, acting as a safety net in the harsh cosmic environment. By anticipating problems before they arise, these AI systems significantly enhance crew safety. Astronauts can focus on their experiments and missions, knowing that risks are managed efficiently. This means they can have a productive and safe experience in outer space, free from constant worries. This predictive maintenance isn't just a theory. It's already making waves in satellites and space stations. It's ensuring that our vital space infrastructure remains operational, opening doors for future explorations. As we continue our journey into the cosmos, AI-driven predictive maintenance will be essential in safeguarding our astronauts and driving remarkable discoveries in this thrilling final frontier. The integration of AI into satellite technology is revolutionizing the way we observe our planet. These advancements allow us to gather crucial data for better decision-making, significantly impacting our understanding of Earth's processes. Now let's talk about weather. AI is a game changer here. By processing vast amounts of satellite imagery, it provides real-time analysis of weather systems. Imagine meteorologists being able to predict storms early, analyze shifting climate patterns, and help communities prepare for severe weather events like hurricanes and floods. This is how AI is keeping us safe. In the event of natural disasters, AI enhances our response capabilities. When a disaster strikes, it assesses damaged areas through satellite data, allowing organizations to efficiently mobilize resources and ensure timely relief efforts. This technology can truly save lives and help communities recover more quickly. Moreover, satellite AI plays a critical role in combating deforestation. By tracking changes over time, we can spot illegal logging activities and help enforce important environmental regulations. This promotes sustainable land use practices vital for our planet's health. As we harness the power of AI in Earth observation, we unlock tremendous potential to protect our planet. The future of satellite technology holds the promise of a more sustainable and informed world. As we venture further into the possibilities of space exploration, we witness a remarkable breakthrough: autonomous deep space navigation. Picture this: spacecraft soaring through the vastness of space, guided by cutting-edge AI systems that allow them to navigate all on their own. No more waiting for commands from Earth, even when they're millions of miles away. This incredible technology lets these spacecraft operate independently, effortlessly avoiding obstacles like asteroids and gravitational pulls that could threaten their mission. With a communication latency of up to 20 seconds from our planet, these smart systems ensure missions thrive on their own. Each maneuver becomes a testament to human innovation and determination, unlocking the endless potential of deep space. It's a brave new world for explorers as we boldly push the boundaries of what we once thought possible. As we continue this exhilarating journey beyond Earth, don't forget your role in our exploration. If this captivating narrative inspires you, please show your support by liking this video. Your engagement helps us share more stories from the frontier of technology. Also, consider subscribing to Future Frame AI for regular updates. And to keep the latest discoveries ringing in your ears, tap the bell for notifications. Join our community and stay connected to the future of space exploration. Together, we can dive deeper into the wonders of the universe. In the world of space exploration, one remarkable companion stands out: CIMON, an innovative AI-powered robot designed to assist astronauts aboard the International Space Station. This friendly gadget, equipped with advanced technology, is more than just a machine, it's a member of the crew. CIMON boasts impressive capabilities, utilizing voice recognition and vision AI to respond to the astronauts' needs. This clever robot can understand spoken commands and navigate its environment, making it a helpful partner during long missions where every bit of support counts. Imagine having a robot that can fetch information or help troubleshoot equipment. One fantastic example of CIMON's effectiveness was during a recent experiment on the ISS. When astronauts faced challenges with their equipment, CIMON was right there, offering insights and assisting with tasks. This kind of help allows astronauts to focus more on their work, enhancing the efficiency of their missions. Looking ahead, robots like CIMON could revolutionize space travel. The future holds incredible possibilities for teaming up humans with machines, unlocking new discoveries beyond our planet. Isn't that exciting? The universe is vast, and with the help of artificial intelligence, we're uncovering its secrets like never before. AI is revolutionizing the way we explore cosmic phenomena, making it easier to connect the dots in the night sky. One exciting area where AI shines is in the search for exoplanets. Picture this: AI algorithms diving into mountains of data from powerful telescopes, finding new worlds beyond our solar system. They sift through data so efficiently that they can spot planets in habitable zones, where conditions might just be right for life. When it comes to black holes, AI works its magic again. By processing data from gravitational waves and light signals, it helps scientists understand these mysterious giants. With AI modeling their behavior, we're slowly unraveling how black holes shape galaxies and influence the cosmos. As AI continues to evolve, its role in astronomy will only expand. In our quest to understand the universe, these intelligent systems are our invaluable allies, bringing us closer to unlocking the mysteries of space. The scene opens with a breathtaking view of Earth from space, where AI-equipped satellites orbit high above. These technological marvels are changing the game in how we respond to natural disasters. Now, let's talk about crisis mapping. It's a crucial tool that helps us track disasters effectively. When wildfires flare up or hurricanes loom ominously, these satellites gather vital data that enables teams on the ground to make smart decisions about evacuations and where to send support. Imagine this. During a recent wildfire, satellites captured real-time images of the flames and smoke, providing firefighters with exactly what they needed to strategize their response. And when Hurricane Jane was on its way to shore, AI analyzed its path, giving meteorologists crucial insights they used to warn communities in harm's way. Looking ahead, the potential of satellite technology is exciting. Continuous improvements in AI will only enhance our response to emergencies, ensuring that communities are better prepared for the challenges ahead. As we wrap up, let's remember just how important technology is in keeping us safe. In the vastness of space, deep space communication presents unique challenges. Imagine trying to send a message across light years only to encounter delays. That's why optimizing these signals is so crucial for successful interstellar communication. Artificial intelligence steps in to help. AI models predict transmission delays, taking into account the enormous distances involved. It's like having a super smart assistant that understands how signals behave in space, adjusting on the fly to ensure our messages get through loud and clear, even when traveling thousands of miles. Think about it. How does AI handle these delays? By analyzing everything from cosmic interference to the distance a signal must travel, it can make real-time adjustments. This ensures that mission control knows exactly what's happening with spacecraft, even deep in uncharted territory. So, how does it actually optimize these signals? Through technologies like adaptive coding and modulation, AI boosts signal strength and clarity, significantly improving our chances of having a smooth conversation across the cosmos. As we look forward to future explorations, the advancements in AI will be vital. Staying connected with distant spacecraft will guide us further into the mysteries of space. In the vastness of space, our advanced AI monitors essential systems, ensuring the crew's survival by managing life support, vital signs, and cabin conditions with remarkable precision. Imagine it as an always vigilant guardian looking after everyone on board. The AI continuously checks oxygen levels, temperature, and pressure in the cabin, adapting to daily changes. It optimizes life support, preventing dangerous fluctuations, and really, it's a powerful tool for sustaining life in such a harsh environment. Equally impressive is how the AI tracks each crew member's vital signs, from heart rates to blood oxygen saturation. It learns from past data, detecting irregularities, and sends alerts to the medical team if there's any hint of a problem. As conditions shift, the AI adjusts the cabin environment to maintain comfort and safety. This intelligent system truly showcases our commitment to health and safety in space exploration, proving that technology is our best ally out there. Imagine a future where astronauts munch on fresh salads while orbiting the Earth or living on Mars. Farming in space is no longer just a dream, it's becoming a reality. Growing food aboard space stations and on distant planets is essential for long missions, making sustainable sources of food crucial for our explorers. Enter artificial intelligence. This smart technology is changing the game, managing hydroponic and soil-free systems that allow crops to thrive even under the harshest conditions. AI optimizes growth conditions, monitoring everything from temperature to nutrient delivery, ensuring that each plant gets exactly what it needs to flourish. Why hydroponics? These systems are perfect for space. They save space, conserve water, and cut down on the need for harmful pesticides. Imagine astronauts gathering crisp, fresh veggies right from their own mini garden. Right now, experiments on the International Space Station are paving the way for future farming on Mars. With innovative techniques and technology, we're not just dreaming of self-sustaining colonies, we're getting closer every day. AI technology is changing the game for space training. Imagine being an astronaut ready to embark on a mission to a distant world like Europa or Titan. With the help of advanced AI, training for these unique environments is becoming more accessible and effective than ever. Let's dive into what makes these places so special. Europa, for instance, is covered in ice, hiding a vast ocean beneath its surface. Then there's Titan, with its thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane, creating fascinating yet challenging conditions. And we can't forget our moon, with its craters and dust that make every landing a bit tricky. Each location has its own challenges that astronauts need to prepare for. With cutting-edge AI simulations, astronauts practice navigating these environments. During training, they immerse themselves in virtual experiences that replicate extreme temperatures, low gravity, and rugged terrain. This preparation helps boost their confidence and teamwork skills, ensuring they're ready for anything. AI simulations have become vital in preparing astronauts for the unknown. As we prepare for future explorations, these tools ensure our astronauts are well equipped to face the complexities of alien worlds. Today, we embarked on an exciting journey beyond Earth, exploring the innovative use of AI in space technology. We began by examining how artificial intelligence enhances rovers, allowing them to navigate autonomously across distant planetary surfaces. These advanced systems are like the smart sidekicks of our rovers, enabling them to explore challenging environments without human intervention. They adapt in real time, increasing efficiency while ensuring that human operators stay safe. Next, we delved into smart planning systems that help with health and farming aboard spacecraft. Imagine how crucial it is for astronauts to stay healthy and have fresh food in space. These technologies make sure our space travelers thrive, managing resources carefully and supporting well-being even in the most isolating conditions. We then discussed the vital role of deep space communication, keeping us connected across vast distances. AI also helps track and manage potential disaster situations, acting like a vigilant guardian ensuring mission safety. In summary, today we explored these amazing applications of AI in space. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to Future Frame AI for our next deep ocean exploration.